Did you support the U.S. war in Vietnam when it was happening? What? No, I actually draft dodged that one. I need more songs. Do you think there's any hope for U.S. Women's rights to bodily autonomy if we're looking at 4 years with Trump? Bro, sorry, women's rights, that's on the back burner, Chief. That abortion? Abortion? That's like 2 decades in the making if you ever want that back. To be federally protected at least. I like to use paper towels so that I leave little specks of paper everywhere. So I can reduce the contact between my heatsink and my computer. Wait, this doesn't have a plastic cover on it, does it anymore? Did they stop doing this? I guess so, okay. People kept it up maybe? Hello? Not sure if you've heard of it, there's a fairly popular family YouTuber who's gone full MAGA mode and is open to debates. His channel is FGTeeve. He does, oh, well, listen, if anybody ever wants to debate it. Okay, does it really matter which way this goes? No. The H3 thing today was so disappointing to listen to. Yeah, kind of. I mean, his staff all got like Hasanabiized. Really? Can we just... What happened with H3H? I think Ethan wanted to watch my video because it was doing pretty well on Jubilee, and then his staff said that they shouldn't watch it because I'm like a pedophile defender. Which I guess is like, I think that's one of like Hassan's attacks on me, I guess. Well. Please. His staff want to be in the good favor of Hassan. I don't actually know if that's true. They probably are ideologically bought into what Hassan is saying. I think that's probably more true. Thank you. Do you think the GOP moves on from MAGA if he loses? I don't know. I said before that Trump wouldn't run again. Who knows if he would try a third time? You and Kyla should have Serpensa and Lao Y86 on Bridges. I think they give you a great episode on the subject of China, but the perspective of being longtime expats there. Wow. This Reddit post scares the ever-living shit out of me. I haven't read it yet, but fuck, where? Oh, Peace goes traveling. I wonder. This is like the nuclear option. But one thing that I'm considering, like advocating for, not that it matters because who the fuck am I, but I wonder if our public position should be that Kamala Harris doesn't certify Trump as president. Because I'm so curious what the conservative argument would be against it. Because that's like part of the vice president's job, I guess, right? That's what they said, right? That the vice president doesn't have to do anything, that it's just like a legal option. You know, not to sort of, like, it would be so interesting to hear conservatives argue against Kamala Harris not certifying the vote when all of them marched onto the Capitol to try to pressure Pence into doing it. I'm so curious, like, what their response would be. Like, how the fuck do you ever argue against that? What about the new legislation they did after January 6th? It's not relevant to anything. That's why nobody can talk to you about it. They were going to break the law. The new legislation is irrelevant. It's completely irrelevant. CPU fan. Too nuclear? What would be nuclear about that? Not only would it not be nuclear, it literally wouldn't be a big deal at all, right? Because January 6th wasn't a big deal at all. None of it mattered. None of it was really that important, right? That's what we were told for years. And we continue to have been told for years. So it shouldn't be nuclear at all. It shouldn't even be that controversial. If the vice president just doesn't want to certify the election, conservatives have told us that the vice president is fully within their power to do that if they don't want to. What kind of screw is on the outside of this? I don't know. Oh wait, I do know. The Jubilee fact check on the Dems challenging the 2016 election did you dirty? Wait, seriously? Did they fact check me negatively on that claim? What the fuck did they say? Wait, somebody linked that in chat. Or timestamp linked that in DGG chat. Why is Twitch actually just hurting every other creator to not ban Hassan? This new politics label's fucking nuts and will obviously be more costly. Hassan is the child. I think the culture at the office, a ton of people who work at Twitch really like him, probably both personally and politically, and the culture just matches that. So they're willing to throw a ton of other people under the bus to be in that cool club, I guess. It's pretty insane, to be fair, but.
Sheila Jackson. Concede. He's not.
7 Democratic members of the House of Representatives objected to the certification of the 2016 presidential election. Representative Barbara Lee, Sheila Jackson. What do you mean reject? Wait. What do you mean objected? I'm sorry. You cannot object without a member in the Senate to sponsor your objection, as per the layout of the ECA. You literally can't do it. It's not possible. Procedurally, you can't do it. What, can somebody link me more specifically? Are these just people that were like, we have an objection, like they said it, or the second part?
He's not going to answer.
Oh, is there another? Hold on.
Sheila Jackson. Won't answer it. I'm going to ask it.
Spoke and said Sheila Jackson and another
Their efforts didn't go anywhere because they could not get a senator to co-sign their objections. Well, okay, well then what's the? This is not. It's not even close to the same thing. What is the claim this guy's even making?
In 2016,
Your family is
in
law
2016, I've already said that they were bad actors. In 2016, Democrats questioned the election of President Trump. Yes, they did. Sheila Jackson, and another, like 2 other Democrats had spoken, said that they were going to question and to hopefully delay the certification in 2016 when President Trump.
Look at how slimy he's being. They said that they were gonna question and hopefully delay. Yeah, they didn't even get a sponsor in the Senate. They didn't do anything. God, what a fucking liar. What a snake fuck. Who posted that fact check? Fuck you. Jubilee. Okay. Please, dear fucking Lord. If this shit doesn't start, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. Julie's get a decent amount of money out of that Jubilee video. I think I'm NDA'd on how much they paid. So I can't say specifically what they paid for it, but I will say that it was a 3-figure payout, which is fine. I wouldn't charge for that. I would do it for free anyway because I like the exposure. But I was gonna ask. I was like, why are you even like? I would rather just get like nothing. But it's all Gucci. One. CPU. 2. 3. Does this not fit? Oh well. Yeah, that's what she said. Oh. Ooh. Oh no, it does. This goes into the PC. Yep, correct. Right. Wait, wrong way. Front panel? You think it's this? Wait, are there 2 front panel areas? The fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Da da doo doo. I'm gonna assume that's the front panel. Sure. Do do do. Okay. Please just turn on and work. Just turn on and work. Hallelujah, Lord. Jeez, fuck me. At least it turns on. Doom. Watch their Jubilee app and then watch the 1 cop versus 20 crims. Kind of insane how calm one episode was from the other. How true. I think Piers is actually that in love with Trump and capable and incapable of seeing that he's 100 times worse, or is he doing it for show? I think Piers is a showman. I think he likes the, like I said, when we finished that, I felt so bad for Palin and Smith because they got fucking railed on that show. As soon as we finished, Piers like leaned back and he was like, "My God, guys, that was some great TV. That was fantastic TV." He said cinema in real life. He was like, absolute cinema. Just in case this piece of shit didn't work, I bought an extra power supply. I don't know if that's on stream or not. Fuck me. Okay. Okay, it said 00, so it should be working now. I don't know how long the memory training shit takes, but I'm assuming it's fine. Do I like wait for that to finish? Does that matter much? Case fans are not spinning? Yeah, because they're not plugged in. I don't need any of this, right? Right? Why doesn't Erudite bring on females to bridges? We've had one, another Kyla Scranton, right? Can I say, women are boring? Haha, just kidding. Let's see, what is this? Wi-Fi? Yeah, it is. Oh, and Ayla too, yeah, true. Base. Throw shit on the floor. Be ungovernable. How do I know when like the memory training is done? It says 00. I don't know if I like hook in a monitor if it would work. Oh, I don't really want to move shit around. It just says 00, which I don't even think is an error message, right? That just means it's working. I don't even know if the memory training shit is real, or if that's like some shit that people meme about. Zero means boot? Yeah, I think so. Okay, fuck it. Oh, nice. Okay, cute. Have you not built a PC before? Nope, it's my very first one. I'm super excited. You just missed it. I was wearing my anti-static wristband suit earlier. I had 14 different anti-static connections across different earths in the apartment. Why don't you like anti-static wristbands? It's usually easy enough to discharge static, and realistically, you shouldn't like spontaneously be building up enough static to damage your motherboard, unless you're literally like dragging your socked, like woolen socked feet across the most like unbelievable carpet in your entire fucking life. Like, okay, throw a second fan on, no reason not to. Even then, it's really hard to kill the board. That's true, although your issue with, I believe the issue with electrostatic shock on boards isn't that you'll probably never kill a motherboard, but I think you can like maybe damage components on it or like reduce its HP a little bit so that it's not as good. That sounds like a thing. Here? Sure. What are we doing? Yeah, I think so. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Don't come in. Oh my God, please. I'm with Kyla's mom.
Oh, hello.
Hi, what's up? Oh my God, thank you.
How's it going?
It's going.
Oh.
I'm streaming right now, by the way. Just
That's okay.
okay. Just sorry. I just.
Hi, Shad. Hi, Shad. I'll put on a shirt though.
I mean, you don't have to, but. Did you guys have fun Halloweening out there?
Which camera is it?
That one.
Oh, okay. Oh, where'd you put my...
Your shirt is in the diapers. Just over water? Just change it over.
Change out of my... Oh, yeah. Oh.
True. What'd you guys do? Did you party in Miami Beach?
Tried. Yeah. Didn't even really. We just walked around with Relly for a while. Ow. Met up with Pixie. Walked around Lincoln for a little bit. They were getting like what do you call it, fries? What are those mushroom things? Truffle fries. And then we dipped.
Oh, that's cute.
Very short.
Are you building a second PC? A new PC?
It's for the German dude, for the election stream. So it'll just sit right there. The guy that's going to be like going through all of our election data.
Is his name public yet?
I don't even know if that's his name, is it? I don't really know much about this guy at all. It's kind of weird that I'm bringing him out here, but hopefully he doesn't kill us.
Nico Sam, I'm from Edmonton, bro. I'm an Oilers boy. Fuck the Flames.
AN4 pump. Oh, let's. Okay, don't care about that bullshit. Chassis fans.
What time does the conference tomorrow, right?
Who for our episode?
The German guy.
Oh yes, he gets here at 1:30ish
1:30
p.m.
p.m.?
Did you guys get to go to any parties or anything?
They were heading towards one, but
Oh,
I wanted to go to bed.
wow. I see.
We're getting old.
After I get this built, I'll like clear out all the shit here. These are all 3 chassis fans, right? Maybe fan 1, fan 2, sys fans. Okay, sure. Darius wasn't hanging out with you guys? The fuck?
No, he went home. He went to San Diego today at like 7:30.
Oh.
Like, he's been gone for a while.
Wow.
These are cute. I like the color back here.
Oh. Yeah, I think so.
Are these little van lights on both sides?
They're just more hue bulbs.
Okay. Are you using all of this glass? Are we using none of this glass?
It's expensive decorations. People like to see lenses in the background. Makes you seem serious.
Yeah, but I'm also thinking that we could give to the poor if we're not using this. Did you buy new cameras?
Yeah, I have 2 new studio cameras. For the stream over here.
Oh, they're just like additional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Generally for lenses, I feel like they're one of the few things that I would probably keep, because you never know. The fuck? That's so weak. Okay.
Do you need anything else from the stuff?
Right now, no. In a few days, I'll probably swing by and like pick up a ton of stuff, but.
We're gonna do a Walmart Plus order. You can just hop it on there.
Oh, sure.
For the studio?
Yeah, for like the election day.
Don't let the tendies get cold.
If you can send it to me, because I'm ordering a bunch of stuff already for the election day.
Like, what are we ordering?
Hummus, serving bowls, crackers.
What kind of
The board, Velcro stickers, glue. Well, I have hot glue actually, so that should be fine. All kinds of Sabra, of course. Yeah. Does that work, or do you need something different than Walmart?
No, Walmart would be fine. I'm just thinking of stuff like just like a bunch of sodas and stuff like that, and crackers and snacks and whatever.
Yeah, that's my plan. Is
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm thinking of.
Okay, just send me what you want. I can do all that.
Okay, just get. I mean, it'll be whatever.
Get the tech working and everything.
Which-
I'll make sure.
Oh, yeah.
The host can send it.
It would be whatever I send you. Just gonna be like standard or
Yo,
stuff, whatever. What?
yo. Tell Erudite to
She can hear you.
Go,
I can-
oh, Erudite, go shopping on 41st Street in Miami Beach. There's like 10 grocery stores that are like a fuck ton of different hummus and shit.
I know, you already sent it to me. That's where I was gonna go.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'm just gonna
All
get
right.
some generic brands of hummus as well from Walmart.
Yeah, we gotta get Israeli hummus.
Yeah.
They have Arabic hummus. They have all that shit there. So we got all the brands, you know.
Okay. Yeah, and then I'm gonna get like crackers and pop and other drinks and your ginger beer and stuff like that.
I can Well, what type of drinks do you want to make for the thing?
I don't know. I feel like we should have like a non-alcoholic cocktail that's tasty, and then maybe like a Moscow Mule and some other cocktail mix.
Okay. Vodka. I mean, honest fuck. Just get like generic, like 2 bottles of vodka, 2 bottles of rum, a bunch of ginger beer, a bunch of tonic water, and I mean that's most shit that people drink. I don't know. I mean, there's some people that just like beer. I don't know, not me though.
Yeah, I'll get Modelo. It's super cheap.
Or you know, like Steve likes what does he like? Smirnoff Ice is Steve's favorite.
Yay, same. The raspberry stuff.
Yeah, we'll probably have a conversation about this later, but probably for the drinking stuff, that's probably only gonna be like after 7, okay?
Yeah, no.
Mom, come on, please.
No!
Wait, the rule doesn't apply to me because I can handle my liquor,
Okay,
unlike
you
everyone
can
else.
drink however much you want, and everyone else I'm cutting off. Like,
I'm gonna bring one of those Camelbacks, and I'll just take like secret swigs, and nobody will know.
You can do whatever you want, Dan, but I'm cutting Steven off and I'm cutting the others off at some point.
Okay. Steve definitely is not allowed.
And word drops.
True. Just to be clear, nobody is drinking before it's like 7 o'clock, but
No.
Not even a little bit?
no.
Why?
It can
Why?
turn way too ugly and clusterfucky
No,
way
why
too
would they
fast.
need to drink before 7?
Wait, but I can handle my alcohol. I never get wasted.
Then you should have no problem drinking after 7.
Yeah, but I want to drink before 7.
Sounds like that's an alcoholic problem.
I only drink when I'm on your show. Okay, that's why I like doing the show so much, right? It's like I have a pleasure center in my brain that enjoys the alcohol. That only happens when I go on the show. So what'd you do with the computer? I'm just getting here. What's going on?
Just
What,
threw it
did
all
you
away.
fix it?
Got new shit. Fuck that.
Oh, okie dokie.
Threw it all away. In the garbage.
No, I mean that processor was fucking ancient history, anyways.
It was fucked.
I wonder if it was that like a pin was bent or some shit. Oh, like
It couldn't have been a pin. Nothing. It couldn't. Something was wrong with the motherboard. So okay, be careful. Because I don't know how a pin could get bent if I'm doing a case transfer if the heatsink is staying on. That doesn't make any sense. It should be impossible.
You don't want anything, Steven? Now you're like a drinky or something?
Nope, I'm good. Thank you.
Erudite.
She's
What
gone.
time tomorrow? Oh, great.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, never mind. She's not gone.
What do you want?
What time tomorrow are you doing stuff like going out and getting shit?
Okay, well, we have bridges tomorrow at like 10 a.m. So then it would be after bridges, so like 2:30 probably.
All right. Why don't you? Do you have a car or no? You must, right? You came here with a car.
Steven's car, unless you're driving somewhere.
No, you can take it.
Okay, I'll still Steven's car.
What I was gonna say is instead, why don't you? I can take my SUV and then I can go with you and I can help you get shit and we can figure stuff out and pick it out.
Sure, can we bring Relly?
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay, and Nick?
Yes, I can fit that many people. Just come to my house around when you guys are done. So wait, hold on. Let me just check my calendar. I don't think I have anything.
Send me your address, I don't have it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. So just come to my place around 3, and then we'll go pick up everything.
Okay, I'm good.
All right.
Okay. I'll be back.
Be careful. Stay safe. It's crazy out there.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Isn't there a there's like a weird connector, isn't there? That I don't have hooked up right now. No. Oh, it's this guy. I don't even know what this is for. It must be like a USB-C 3.2 or something. Yeah, I don't know. What does it actually say? FU3C20G. I don't even know what the fuck that means. Okay, whatever, that's fine. And then this. Oh, one more system fan. Oh, you can be a pump. Pretend to be a pump. It's all just like 4-pin PWMs don't matter, right? Whether it's a pump or not.
In the BIOS, you'll have to change the curve if you put it into the wrong one. One should be labeled for AIO pump to run at 100% all the time.
The pump? No way does a pump run at 100 all the time.
The pump I usually does run, I think. That's why they're labeled like that, right?
So it was labeled to give you a different option or to set it differently in the, it's like on a different controller or something in the motherboard.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's on a different controller, but the pump is supposed to always run all the time as opposed to the fans on the thing. I don't know,
Sure.
plug the fucking pump into the AIO pump thing, and then the other one not into it.
I don't know if I have any other slots. Like yo mama does.
You definitely have fucking slots. Well, what do you have? You have the pump and chassis fans, right? What
I've
else
got
is
2
there?
fans from the CPU and I've got 3 system fans plugged in right now. I need a 4th sys fan.
You mean a 4th chassis fan, right?
Yeah, well they're labeled sys fans on this, so.
Just I don't think you need 4 fans. You'll be all right.
I need all the fans. It came with the fans. I'm gonna plug them the fuck in. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Brother Dan.
Mm.
Oh, chill, calm down. Ever thought of snipping your tongue? Yeah, you know, to help with my lisp. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Fuck. Like a better screw to use? Oh, it is. Cute. Are you gonna review that video at all? What, the Jubilee stuff? I don't know, maybe.
Don't you guys know by now? Steve fucking hates watching himself. He cringes.
True.
I could watch myself all day though. I don't know. We're just built differently. I'm so fucking retarded that when I watch funny videos of me in the past, I fucking laugh again. I'm not afraid to admit it. I don't care. I laugh a second time. I get the second laugh for free.
I'll be honest, I did laugh at myself again when I rewatched a lot of that J-Reg stream because I was like, well, we're being like super fucked up, and that was just such a fucked up episode. It was fucking hilarious though. Seeing him like have his huge fucking outburst and then like telling him like, bro, don't lean into the mic or whatever, like holy shit.
The thing is, I didn't know what the fuck was going on. Like in retrospect now, looking back, it's very weird. It was, I mean, I'm glad we were on the same page, I think, of not knowing what the fuck was going on, which was good.
Basically.
But yeah, wow. It was fucking crazy. It's still, you know, that August was like, hey, we should put this on YouTube. I was like, you know, I've had like 2 hate threads now, 2 weeks in a row. I need a break. Just let's chill on this one for the YouTube thing. Wait, it wasn't a bit? That's the fucking thing. You never know with that guy. It's like, I don't know. It's like fucking Casey Tron or like Raj back in the day, or who else is like always playing a character? I don't fucking remember.
Wasn't there a doctor who always plays a character?
You mean Dr. K? Yeah, I would agree. I didn't know that you were on the Dr. K hate wagon. That's nice. It's good to know.
It's a good one.
Good one. Good one.
Okay, please, God. Uh-huh. They make these like the most annoying fucking things to plug in.
Fan headers?
Just everything. Those aren't as bad anymore. Usually it's all just like one piece now. Okay, we're just gonna turn this on one more time just so that I can see everything light up and be perfectly functional. Da-da-da. Okay, yes. Ooh, is this gonna fit? 99. Okay. We're good, I think. Okay, one 256 gigabyte mediocre SSD should be fine in this, I believe. Is this? Ooh, okay. Okay. Wait, is it?
What are you doing?
Trying to see if this actually fits. Oof. I hope this glass just explodes.
Remember all that shit talk you did about the tempered glass
That's
earlier?
what I
Be
wanted. I
careful,
wanted it to
Steve.
explode on me. That would just be fucking perfect. Is this as far down as it can go? Oh, it is. It should be fine. What are the chances? What? Who breaks tempered glass, guys? Who does that?
Apparently, a lot of people on Reddit.
I can see where the rubber is like pressing against the fucking glass. I hope I come down here one day and it's just like fucking shattered. That's what I really want to happen. That's good enough.
Have you turned this thing on yet? Make sure it works.
I mean, I turned it on and it didn't show any error codes. Good enough for me.
All right, I'll still bring my extra laptop with me, just in case, since it's already set up for everything, and the extra capture card, and the extra camera. Wait, you already have my extra camera there, right?
It should still be here unless you moved it, yeah.
Do you have an extra C-clampy thing? Or whatever the fuck it's called? Like, so I could attach it?
Probably, yeah. I think I do.
All right, okay.
Okay. Okay, this goes here. This and this. This. What is this? Oh, these two. One, two, and then. Okay. Power cable?
Okay.
Oh, what?
I was gonna say, what's the over/under on it posting right away first time?
It should be fine. What is this? Cable. Here. Search. Am I forgetting anything? Cards are in. That's good.
Did you ever build a computer that used ISA slot?
ISA? No. The oldest slots I've seen are like AGP, which was the old graphics card slots, and
wasn't PCI before AGP?
I don't know. I don't know if I ever saw an original PGI slot.
No, PCI, not
Or
PCI
I don't know if I saw a
Express.
PCI slot.
Did the company 3DFX, did that become NVIDIA? Remember like Voodoo 3DFX? Did that become
Yeah,
NVIDIA?
like the 8800 GTX was like the most important graphics card in the fucking world or whatever.
I feel like there's a good test of determining if someone is a legend. You say, what's the best 56K modem that you can get? And if they know the answer, I don't know. Well, then they know.
What's the best 56K modem?
US Robotics.
Wow.
It was actually significantly better, I think, than all of the other ones. There was one, it was weird. What? There was something that wasn't 56K. It was like something, it was like a shit 56K.
Oh, 28K?
No, yeah, I know they had 28 baud. No, but there was like a 56K, but it was like a fake 56K or something like that.
54K?
Maybe that. I don't fucking know. My first modem had an acoustic coupler, which is a the way it worked is you literally put like a fucking speaker on the microphone of your phone, like your handset, and then you put a microphone on the earpiece, and that's how it didn't use a jack. It like used a microphone and a speaker.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, chat.
Let me tell you about some Captain Crunch whistles.
I'm sorry, can we not like talk about listen, we have experience, and I feel like these guys don't know anything. That's why we're better. That's why we're built differently. They don't know shit about the internet or how anything. They're just a bunch of fucking Zoomers. All they know is like, I can use my Cloudflare workers to do this. I don't need to know that. I have an API. Fucking losers. They don't know.
Absolutely true. Shit on them. I'm looking for the little black thumb drive. Little black USB drive?
I found the Smirnoff, the good kind.
The good kind. Is there bad? Isn't it? That's just a seltzer too, right?
No, it's not a seltzer. I don't know.
Be careful. I love you all.
Bye.